Dragon Link combo part 3 with Chaos Space and any light or dark monster with Lord M2A. Take it away.
Okay, we start. We activate Chaos Space, discard a random card, add the Black Dragon since we use the light here. We banish it, summon the Black Dragon. We use it for Link Summon, search, boot, and search the White Dragon. Then banish the Black Dragon. So now we use Chaos Space to draw one card, shuffle back the Black Dragon. So we draw one card. And then when we link summon the Romulus, we can protect it from Ash or Gamma. Or this, maybe those cards that says win instead of F, or just quick effect. Since we shuffle banish the Black Dragon anyway, so we can chain block, so we can add the Black Dragon and use the Romulus effect. But we cannot summon it anymore since you can only special summon it once per turn. Divine Lance. Equip it. Equip the Phalanx using its effect. Phalanx its own effect, special summon itself. Then go for Link Cross. So we have now, we can do all of the same field, this thing here that Chaos Space gives you an extra draw, shuffles back the Black Dragon or the banished level 4 dragon. So we can search it when it's sent to the graveyard with the other dragon and protect Romulus from some cards that with the chain block. So we go for the Marshal. Then we go for Alchemy Fabrics. Alchemy Fabrics effect. Summon Red Rose. Summon Herald using the Red Rose and the token. Now summon the White Rose Dragon. This card's so good. Even if you have it in your hand, you can still summon it to the field. Well, you can draw a Dragon Tuner, so it's cool. We link into LP. Using link. Use LP effect to summon dragon from the deck, from my hand or my deck. We summon the Brotar effect. Discard one card, so target any monster I control to search one monster is the same type and attribute as it is. So we can target Brotar. Since we draw a card with Chaos Space, we can discard it. Or we can discard the Black Dragon anyway. that we have in our hand that we like search it using the other red dragon. So let's see, we like discard this Nibiru that we draw. Search Rocket Tracer. Go into Seal using Needle Harky Vibrax and LP. Link two dragons that like require two monster.
Let's protect her well.
Yeah. What did I say? I just like
You
don't
said
remember.
seal.
Oh right, yeah, I'm sorry. Go for Protector Roll. We bring out Pisty effect to like summon any dragon from the graveyard. So we can like anyway bring back the you can
Banished
like
or graveyard.
yeah,
You have
but we
nothing in
like
the
cannot
banished.
pray. Yeah. We can like bring back the another striker dragon anyway. So we link Protector Whelp and Pisty into Seal. Then go for Union Carrier using both striker dragons. Since they are with the same type or attribute. In this case both of them they are the same monster. Use boot. Summon a Tracer. Tracer effect, pop the field. Bring out Recharger. Then we link into Savage. Equip using its effect. Target Needle, link to, and the highest attack. Use Union Carrier to equip Savage with the Buster, Dragon Buster Destruction Sword. And here it is, like the same field, but with like one additional draw and one the Black Dragon Collapse Serpent that we have in our hand due to gas base effect when it's like vanished.
That was combo number 3 with Chaos Space and one
Yeah,
card.
it gives you like the additional like draw card to discard with like Brotar if you don't have any cards in your hand, and gives you like an extender for next turn, like the Black Dragon or the White Dragons that you like banish their search it.
Nice. That's it?
Yeah, yeah.
Alright.
The same like field. Usually you just have two cards in the extra deck and you know them, so there's like no going further than this.
Is there a part 4?
Well, maybe it was like the cube stuff and instead of the Rose Dragon.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay.